Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cole. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Oh, thanks. Fingers come away, Cole.
Yeah. Don't mind if I do. Oh my god. What's this? This is in the way.
Mint. It's Tuesday. It's Dad's birthday. Woo, 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 woo. Birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Alright, welcome. Me and Dad are currently on our way, an hour and a half drive up to ride our bikes. We're on the side of the freeway right now because Dad realised something was missing and he found it, luckily. Very great. Not ideal. I'm trying out this weekly vlogging thing, so my mate over at Sayen's, link down in the description, go check him out. He recommended doing, one upload a week, so I'm going to try that for a bit, see if you guys like it, see if I like it, see if he likes it, so shout out, let's go. Alright, so we've made it to the area. We're on a dirt limestone road right now, testing out old Cammy family trail zone. That's us, we're a family. We've made it to the family trail. It's 6Ks this one we're going to do. What's going on, guys? It's Jake in the middle of the bush because my quad bike died and I'm now pushing it back, waiting for Dad to come and join me and help push it. There's an update for you. See you at the car. I'm a survivor. That was a sweaty push. Lost my hair lucky. I'm sure it's in my hair somewhere or in the helmet maybe, I don't know. Turns out after all of that it ran out of fuel. Here comes Dad now as we talk. Oh, what a song, what a song. So we're done, we're back in the car, we're gonna be heading home. Oh,
Well,
right.
would you look at that?
Oh.
Hello. We are on a little field trip at the moment, the four of us. Party time in the car. Whoop whoop. We're going, I'm going to a Yanis Marshall workshop. Jake, Auntie Cindy and Tom are going to Ikea because they want to have a little bit of a walk around, but really they're...
Meatballs!
Cloudy with a chance of meatballs! And I'd like to say that it's the first vlog that I haven't sworn in so far, but... Say what?
Cole, don't be jealous, we made it to Ikea. So I don't know what's going to happen in this vlog, but let's get into it. Alright, so here we are. Cole, Victoria, Auntie seen everyone. Obviously that garlic bread looks bloody amazing as it is, but finally time for me to try an Ikea meatball. So here we go. Okay, they are good meatballs. I can confirm now. I've got some couches. Let the mood decide.
Oh, that's like my thing in Minnesota, isn't it?
It is actually. For love of God. For love. Just made it to me mate's house. Where is he? Yo, Johnny. Oh, what's the night like out tonight? Oh yeah. Yeah, normal night. Where's John? Oh, Phoenix, I suppose. So we've just found our whole house. It's got literally a whole bathroom that even goes into this bedroom here. I genuinely feel like I'm just walking in people's houses here. It's not okay. No peeking. Exciting changes are happening.
It's a wardrobe.
Alright, so see, Honeysin's doing her work, but her legs are a bit, you know, she's a bit sore from sitting down. So what do you do? Hey Tom, I know you may think this is a jug for water or punch or something, but it's actually for friskening. What? For friskening. These are fantastic. Made it to the bathroom where we can see ourselves. It's a floor uplifter. Not.
Nope.
This is Aladdin's spare room. I know what happened to those chairs. Is it winter 2019 yet? Or is it summer 2018? It's look how big this is. Do you reckon this ever gets full?
Yeah.
Tom, you've been framed.
Oh. And today's not very delightful.
For anyone wondering what first class Uber would look like, this is it. Tilted all the way back, living my best life.